You are looking at a set of vintage spark plug wires. They work great, except as you can see, the original rubber boots have cracked from age. I ordered new ones from Ton's Performance. They are not exactly the same as the originals, but close enough. After removing the old boots, I cleaned the brass terminals and checked for a good connection. All that was left to do was start the engine and to make sure that it was running well. A very simple job that was easy to do to ensure there are no misfires down the road.